Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P5, aka Peanuts Are Better Than Cashews. I don't know. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, come back, and we're gonna do it like we doing it for TV. Let's get it, gang. Oh, here come the hammer. Here come the hammer. Alright guys, let me give you the little 12 to the RJ. You already see what we're doing here. You see what's going on. Little close up right there. Little 12 to the RJ. Alright gang, should we get into it? Let's get into it. So today guys, we have this CP Company DD Shell Metropolis series, you know, like the urban protection series, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it guys. As you can see, there's my waist. There's my waist right there. It comes down just below the waist. A nice little jacket length right there, as you can see. Very nice. I'll give you the back side, pause. Yeah, as you can see, really nice. Alright guys, let's start at the cuff arches. Left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, you have these nice thick ribbed cuff arches, and they're not too close to the wrist, but they're, you know, just what you want. A perfect little cuff arch. They're not elasticated per se, you know, just a normal sort of knitted cuff arch. As you can see, the knitting going all the way around there. You see the ribbon right there, all the way up to there. And if you see the back bit, you see that right there. Let me just give you a little close up of the back. As you can see, you've got that DD shell panel that goes across there, and the rest further down is all knitted, and it's knitted in this black color right here. Okay, if we move to the front, let me zip up just so you can see what is going on. Let me just zip up. My hands are a bit cold guys, so it's taking me a bit longer to do things like zipping up, but it's all good. Cool. So I've zipped up now, and as you can see, you have this sort of puffer-like body right there, this main part. As you can see, let me give you a little close-up, and that's the DD shell right there. DD shell is the material, kind of like this puffer down material. I tend not to go for anything with down in it, just because Macca 23, you know, he mentioned about the whole down thing, and since then I've not really bought anything with down. In fact, I might have bought one thing, and this might be the second one, so I'm doing very well. The price on this was a must, so I had to get it. Super nice, do you know what I mean? This bit, as you can see, nice and glossy, soft to the touch, very soft to the touch, you know what I mean? Sean Connery voice, very soft to the touch, puffed up, and it has that nice down feel inside. Again, I'm not really a fan of the down because of how they obtain it, but you know, every now and then, you know, few and far between, one does go in. Of course, I'm showing you the sleeves, very much so. Let's have a look. As you noticed, on the sleeve, there's no lens, right? And as you noticed, no lens on the sleeve, but also, as you might have noticed, there's no goggles at all. But before we get into that, let's look at the hood. Tappity tap 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 tap. You are good to go. This is going to stop the tappity tap getting in your eyeballs, and it will also protect you at least a little bit. I mean, if you're in a downpour, I'm sure it'll be a bit too much, but just right. As you can see now, look at this. This is why this piece is the piece that keeps on giving. Let me just zip up some more, and I'm going to show you guys. Sorry, I need to take this out. Look at that. You zip it all the way up. Now you have this mouthpiece. You see, this is all part of that urban protection shit, you know. CP Company right there, as you can see on the mouthpiece. Super nice. You've got these adjustable bits here. So if you want to go super tight and unrecognizable, you just pull these and then you're good to go. Of course, we don't have the badge, we don't have the goggles, but we do have, let me just open this, nice little side phone pocket right there with a Velcro strap, and that goes across. We do have the patch. Oops, I thought I took it off, I hadn't. Velcro, very good, as you can see. Look at that. Very nice on your screens right there. Super nice. Urban Protection Metropolis series, you know that. CP Company, voila. I do like these. They're a bit understated, you know. I got my first piece the other day, which was the jumper, which a lot of you seem to like. And yeah, this is the second piece. Again, this was a super good price that my guys at the store gave me, so shout out to them. Yeah, of course, left hand side, right hand side, you have a pocket with spare buttons. You have a pocket on the other side with the exact same thing. Let me zip down. Really nice, guys. Of course, you've got the zip pull with the CP company spell out right there. Sorry, let me show you that with the CP company spell out right there. Very nice. This is very nice. It feels soft to the touch. It feels like it could, it's quite warm. Of course, you've got your CP company right there, the Metropolis series, as you can see. Of course, you've got your, you got your DD shell right there. You know, really dope, man. Just feels nice. Feels like a nice little piece. Add a couple extra layers underneath, and this can be your main top piece. You know what I mean? Of course, it's in black. You can't go wrong in black. Guys, let me know your thoughts on this piece. Super nice. I'm loving this. You know, look, it's stretchy, little mesh bit. Save you from all the bullshit outside. As you can see a bit closer, you see the detailing on that. Very nice. Guys, this has been a CP company DD shell downstroke knit jacket. Let me know your thoughts, guys. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. This has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host. P is for pressure, and this has been Once. We're not saying manually dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and you know what to do. I'm gonna see you on the flip side. Peace.